Okay, so what's arrived today is the Rock Brothers Titanium nuts and bolts kit for the Brompton. It's a collection of nuts and bolts, as it says, basically. I'll just show you what's included now. Right, so as you can see on this screenshot, it's quite a comprehensive list. It's the vast majority of nuts and bolts on your Brompton. Now, all the different fittings, nuts, bolts are in separate bags, as you can see. They're not labelled or anything, so you need to be able to sort of recognise what's what. But there is another diagram showing what's included and where they fit. I'll show you that one now. Now, since making this video, it took me a little while to get round to fitting this. I had quite a lot on, and I'm not sure that this particular kit's available anymore from Rock Brothers, but I've had a look round and there are lots of similar kits with the same bolt set or similar bolt sets available. So yeah, so lots of new options there you can have a look at. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to leave these in the bags, pop them all together, and I'm going to weigh them, get a weight for them now. I'll then fit these to the bike, and once I've got them all fitted, I will weigh what comes off the bike, and that will give us an accurate and total weight saving. So these weigh in at 144 grams. That's including the bags, but I'm going to put the ones that come off the bike back in the bags and weigh them, so we will have an accurate measurement. So I'll get those fitted and let you know how I get on, and yeah, see what they weigh and what we're actually looking at saving. Right, so just to quickly run through what I've fitted then. So starting at the back here, there's the suspension block bolt. There's all the fittings on the brakes. That includes for the brake blocks themselves and all the bolts on the calipers. Now that's the hardest job, because you do literally take the brakes apart to do that. I'm pointing at that, but I didn't actually do that. There's the bolt on the pentaclip there. Coming to the front, there's the handlebar bolt and the fasteners for the brake levers. Also, yeah, the handlebar catcher bolt on that. Obviously, all the bolts and screws on the front brakes again. One of the main reasons I did this is that I am having a little bit of a problem with rust. It's a common problem on the raw lacquers. I'll just show you a little bit of that now. There you go, that's the handlebar bolt, retaining bolt. As you can see, it's quite bad. And also, yeah, the crank bolts were done. Right, I'm going to take those in and weigh the old ones. Right, so here we go then, moment of truth. Let's see what the weight saving is. That's 229 grams, and the original weight was 144. So I make that 85 grams. So that's an 85 gram saving. I have seen different articles on saving weight that say you should expect to spend about £1 for every gram you save. So that's yeah, like I said, different kits, different available, and different prices, but it's there or thereabouts. I said two main reasons I've done this. One was because of the, as I said, one or two places where there's a little rust problem, and obviously titanium doesn't rust, so it should help with that. The main reason is just getting the weight of the bike down for transporting it, particularly if you're taking it on a plane. For me, it just means I can get more in with the bike. 85 grams is not a lot, but it all adds up. Hope you found this useful. If you did, I've got another video coming up soon on changing the pedals to some lighter weight pedals, and I've also got one I already did on a titanium seat post. So if you're looking to save some weight on your Brompton, there's a few videos I've done that might help you with that. If you did enjoy the video, give us a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more, consider subscribing. Thanks till next time.